vaak weer voor jou dit vader. Ja, dan wordt even voor de tweede jaar weer uit. Ecco il marionette. Ciao.
Thank you, Lord, for the food and everything you've done for me and my mom. Amen.
Tama, mas may pagkasin ba yun? Ano mo? Editor. Editor. Ya para mulai para pakai, ya bakua. Bere foi mami, kukar me ai bueno. O mami ore gravy ya bueno. Ya Skit e para mulher bueno.
Mom, can you buy me a new video game?
Sim, o cara é para jogar no PS3. Pode forçar. Esse me quero ninguém.
Não.
Olha. O mais sobre não me vai. Para o jogo que abre o cu de cair do seu ombro de pipoca.
Oh, Mom, getting tired of
Years have passed by and Tama is a little older. He is in middle school now. Tama starts to show signs of disobedience towards his mother. He begins to backtalk and ignores his mother from time to time. Hugs and kisses are no longer needed from his mom, for Tama feels real embarrassed. Because to Tama he thinks stuff like hugs and kisses, he's too old for all that. But through it all, Tama's mom still continues to provide and cater and love him.
Tama! Gigi na lang TV na lang. Paano lang magpaya? Tama! Ay, ito mag-gigi. Wala kayo kamante pa doon. Tama! Biyay! Yung malilay na. Basta kayo biyay. Ay, boy!
I need to go before my mom sees me.
Tama! 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 Olha para o vai fora.
Let's go. Hey, come on.
Sai.
I'm too old.
Ok, me pone coquero para mí. No soy a mí.
Now with Tama going to high school, he is a rebellious teenager. He is rowdy as ever, and is still showing no signs of respect to his mom. He always argues with his mom. Thomas' attitude is so poor and out of control, he starts to become a big troublemaker. He complains all the time to his mother for not doing things that he wants done his way.
Mark, can you get this? Really? What's the record?
Hey, guys, what's up? Walk me down, walk me down. I was Tama, hoy nga pa ako ko. Ali Tama, for your birthday, can you bring Tama?
Mom,
Olha,
where's the food? There's empty stuff here. What do you expect me to eat?
Tama, olha que como na macro com le oven.
Yeah, mackerel 5 days in a row. Can't you change it up?
Oh, guys, olha que give me that money little, huh?
Mom, you give me no money to go eat at school. You come home and cook nothing. I'm hungry. I'm gonna die of starvation. Supposed to give me money. At least give me money for school.
Oh, guys, you come like you say.
Are you gonna cook something tonight?
You heard Tama?
Other than mackerel?
If I pack a fresh, you can get it.
I'm allergic to fish.
Oh, God.
Should done it. You've been home all day.
Oh, guys, you come like you kill the fire. Almost say. Hello?
Hello, is this Thomas' mother?
Yes?
Yes, this is Principal Phil Poco calling on behalf of the school. Thomas hasn't been to school in like 3 to 5 days, just making sure he's okay. Is he okay?
Oh, God. Tyler!
Hello? Hello?
Oh, God, you come like you.
Tired.
Mas yes. Yeah, puro pas isang minuto. Seria dia fa bol. Mas kau pay você para pouco lá casa. É tua. Sabe pelo malo fio, e ele não só me pega e assim maua. Esse é netina, aí me se fa na falunta. Sabe pelo malo fio, e ele ofon fata se pega fa na. E ele ofon beste mo formular na de tudo matutuma. Ele ofon faz pela tu, mandam na rua, mas na de tudo matutuma. De tudo matutuma, para se me ne yasu, sabe só foi isso. Amém.
Over the following years, Thomas' mother has been praying to God for guidance and for comfort for herself during her time of illness. But she was especially praying for her son, Tama. Tama's mother feels that she is losing control of her son, and all her hard work and teachings that she taught him when he was young child seems to be disappearing. Tama, with no care in the world, staying out late, partying every night, and with no job and no money and hanging out with the wrong people, Tama is worse than ever. It is so bad that he doesn't even notice the changes with his mom. As her condition worsens, Tama continues to break the rules and rebel and does whatever he wants.
Oh yeah, I see my mom's cooking though. Y'all here to the house now. Let's do my house. Yeah, cause I don't know. She can some not sure. I don't know.
Okay.
No, turn around. You gotta turn around.
Over here, it's right here.
Oh, okay, well, she's something over here.
Okay, we're get out. We're in the kitchen. Okay.
Tina!
Wow!
What am I doing?
Tama!
What?
What coffee? What coffee is that?
Tina, come here.
Sorry, mate. Tama. Sorry, mate. Look at me. Oh, fella, lang ina yai Tama.
Tina!
Ha?
So, I'm not
Oh, fella, lang ina yai Tama. Ole mere yai pare yung ska yara ka sa kuya wa. Ali Tama.
Tina!
Well, low feel on some. Ha?
Tina, oh,
Era, pole on ka sa mo sama e kire fa luya. Oh, guys, sorry. Vai il me che da oi
Hey,
Tama.
papi, me ya. Oh, what are you
Ora ko mulum ku ka Tama. Oi. Oh, que vai sa ke. Ha? Oh, que vai sa ke.
Whoa! It is a king here, whoa!
Kau kan bosi di fucking alu ki ba?
Say, papi, me ya, Tina.
Kau kai ka mai ki. Kau dah kala. Alu fai me ke kau Tama. Alu fai. Ya ka su lu ye sa. Awu me alu su me ye.
Hey,
Ba kuli ho ba kinga man tu.
Okay, let's go.
Kau kai ka mi ki le fa. Lo mo
Drink
se.
it. Just drink it. Ooh. Let's go. Get in the car. Thank you. Put on your seatbelt. You ready for this party? Let's go.
Yeah.
You don't have a curfew, do you?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
3 days has passed by and Tama finally decided to go home. He didn't listen to his mom once again when she asked him 3 days ago to return at a certain time, for she had something very important she wanted to tell him.
What a party. Man. Tina! Tina! Man, this lady, she didn't cook no food. What is wrong with her? Tina! Tina! Man. Come in.
Tama, did you just get home?
Yes, ma'am.
How's your mom?
Oh, I'm looking for. I don't know what she at right now. I don't know. I came home. I don't know what she at.
She got rushed to the hospital 3 days ago.
Serious?
Yeah.
Oh, can you take me over there, please?
Let's go.
Thank you. Excuse me, sir. Do you know where my mom at?
Where does walk from?
Tama.
Oh,
That's her right there.
what few color ke fungi ne
Man,
kati oi.
just tell me the room number. I want to see her.
Falongo ya
Where you
tia,
going?
falongo. What for ibalo? Son, your mom died an hour ago.
What?
I'm sorry.
No way. Mom.
In the end,
No.
if only Tama would have listened and came home when his mom told him to. and he would have been home and able to help his mom. He never got a chance to say goodbye to her. He never got a chance to tell his mom how much she meant to him, or say, "I love you, Mom," one last time. Tama took his mother for granted and drifted away from the Lord and forgot all the teachings he was taught by his mom. You see, sometimes God works in ways we will never understand because he is a mysterious God. Don't wait until it's too late to appreciate your mom or to show your love for her. Take time each day to say simple things like, "Good morning, Mom." "Good night, Mom." "Thank you, Mom." "I love you, Mom." Let Tama's story be a lesson to us all to respect and cherish every moment and love our mothers every day. For in the Bible, it is written in Ephesians chapter 6, verse 1 to 3, "Children, obey your parents in the Lord, for this is right. Honor your father and your mother, which is the first commandment with promise, that it may be well with you and you may live long on the earth."
Mom, I hope you forgive me.
May you all be blessed today on this lovely Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to you all from the FitaFitaTau Mole Ali'i Autalavo. Ia manuia laso tina. One Yesu faftai. Amen ma amen.
Happy Mother's Day, dear Mother.